So I know a guy who knows a guy who apparently knows a gal that has a line on some product that I've been looking for. And so little man here and I are going to go check it out and see if it's what we're looking for. Yeah. But first, we've got to stop and get ourselves a Scooby snack. Now, I'm not going to tell you where I'm at. I'm not going to tell you where I'm at because a lot of you might just shun me for eating this type of food. But occasionally, I dabble in the not so healthy. Yeah, here we go. Toby, can you turn the camera off? I need to hold my hand. The button on the camera, I need you to turn it off because I need to keep my hand right here so people don't see. Hey guys, Richard here with Down-Grid Survival. This video is just a little bit different. It's just kind of showing you some of the things I'm doing day to day to kind of increase my preps. So this year we started a small container garden. I think I mentioned that in previous videos that I can't have a regular in-ground garden where I live. So, you know, we started experimenting with growing a couple of things in small containers, and it wasn't doing that great. You know, we have a few things that died off, and but the important thing is that we've been learning, right? We've been learning, you know, what to do and what not to do, so that we're better prepared for next year when we put in a full garden. And so, because I'm limited to containers, I really need a lot of containers, and I plan to use 5-gallon buckets. Now, to go out and buy 5-gallon buckets, the cheapest you can find is about $4.50 right now in my area, and I want about 100 buckets. So that's just not going to work. So I know you can get buckets for free from bakeries and things, and I've hit a few of those up over the last several weeks, and you know, I'm lucky if I get one occasionally from one of the bakeries. It's just too time consuming and too much gas. So I jumped on the Facebook Marketplace, and I found some folks that were selling buckets for $2 each, but unfortunately they're about an hour away. But, you know, that's still a lot cheaper than, you know, $4.50 each. So I started contacting this one individual, going back and forth just a little bit, and he decided that because I had to travel so far, that he would sell me these 5-gallon buckets for $1 a piece. So it's a score, right? It's a huge score. So yeah, it's going to cost me $30, $40 in gas, whatever it is for me to get there and get back. But, you know, it's going to be worth it in the end. And so I'm going to pick up, hit a bump. I'm going to pick up 100 buckets to use for, you know, storage, because I use 5-gallon buckets to store our a lot of our freeze-dried items that we package ourselves, and then also for the container garden that we're going to be putting in next spring, but also this fall. Because where I live in Florida, it's hot almost all the time, and it's just warm during the fall, winter months, and there's still quite a few things that I can grow. And so I'm getting these buckets so I can get them ready, because I'm going to be doing another planting here soon and get some more stuff started for, you know, this fall winter. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm happy that I scored some buckets pretty cheap. You know what? Let me know if you've scored anything great like that for preps. You find some things on sale, you go to yard sales, you know, you find some good deals for preps there. Let me know what kind of things you're finding. I'd be curious to know. And let me also know if you put in a garden this year, or if you're a first-time gardener getting started. I'd be also curious to know that. All right, hey, that's it for this video. Toby and I have to hit the interstate, so I will see you in the next one.